All right, I'm trying to do Twitter Live and YouTube at the same time. We're gonna see how horrible this goes. Well, this will work. How horrible. Looks like it's going. Okay, hi Peppa. What's good? We're on YouTube. I'm talking on YouTube. I'll put a link there. I'm gonna see if this is like a good idea, a good thing to do, to stream, to like have a Twitter space, and then also like be streaming on YouTube. But part of me thinks it's dumb, and I hit my lights. How about I turn the light on for you? So if you're listening on Twitter, go to YouTube. That link that we hit. We're gonna play with we're gonna play with Rivet. All right. Let me just make sure I'm doing this right. GM. I'm gonna pop out the chat here. Streaming live on YouTube. Link is in the Twitter space. Playing with Paradigms Rivet. All right. Cool. Here we are. So I already did some stuff, but let me start over. Let me stop this too. So I haven't done any of this yet. I don't know anything about this tool. I saw Paradigm release this, so we're gonna play with it. And it's Saturday night, and I'm not doing anything better, so just got done judging the first couple of CodeHawks smart contract auditing competitions, which went phenomenally. Now we're doing a little bit of coding. So this is Rivet. For those of you watching on YouTube, this is Paradigm's new tool. What is Rivet? We're excited to release the alpha release of Rivet, a free open source developer wallet and tools for EVM-based chains. What does this do? What is it? Rivet is a developer-focused wallet and dev tools for Ethereum. So again, those of you on Spaces, head over to the YouTube link in the description of this space. This is where we're playing with this. Why build a developer wallet? We build Rivet for two core reasons. Developing alongside a local Ethereum node is a pain. It sure is. With consumer wallets, as they simply are designed for it, constant state changes and restarts on a local Ethereum node cause these wallets to become out of sync and generally poor reactivity. If any of you watched my HTML tutorials on this, let me tell you what, this was a huge pain in the ass. Anytime you restart your Foundry node or your Hard Hat node, you have to reset your MetaMask, and it is a awful experience. So other developers debug against testnets, or even worse, mainnet. Developing against a testnet can work, as you can easily fund yourself with a faucet and test transaction flows easily. However, it comes with the trade-off of not being able to replicate mainnet network conditions and state. Developing against mainnet can also work, as you can develop against live network conditions and state. However, it comes with the obvious trade-offs that you're sending real money and fees. So obviously they're saying, hey, use Foundry, use Forge. You can use a forked connection of the chain. And this seems pretty cool. So yeah. So I've opened up their GitHub here. I've already taken the first couple of steps here. They have all this stuff. I'll read it later. Already ran git clone. Pull this up. We've already cloned this repo here. Already checked my npm and node versions. We're on the correct node version. We're on the correct npm version. Again, for those of you in Spaces here, we're on YouTube streaming this right now. So if you want to follow along, go to YouTube. I'm curious to see if doing a live Spaces when I'm streaming YouTube stuff is like a smart thing or a really stupid thing. I think it might be a really stupid thing, but we're gonna find out. Install dependencies, did that. Run the dev server. Let's just double check that I did that. So we're here. Come on. No package. Oh, whoops. It's, there we go. Everything's good. Great. Run the dev server. For the extension, do so, run the following. Okay, and I'm using one of my my profiles, one of my Brave profiles that like I can mess around with. Oh, cool! It automatically opens up. Interesting. So nothing happened. That's probably supposed to happen. It will build the web extension and start a dev server for the test app. It will also open the test app in the new browser. Once you have your dev server running, you can install the web extension in your browser. To do so, follow the following steps. Open your browser's extensions page. You know, I'm pretty sure it's safe for me to do this on stream, but I'm just gonna not, just in case. Now what do I do? Enable developer mode. Okay, we're gonna do that. Actually, I think this is safe to show. I'm at least gonna show this. There's this little toggle here where I can enable developer mode. Flip it on. Click load unpacked in the top left corner. I feel like doing this on Twitter Spaces is dumb. I'm curious if anyone's on Twitter Spaces and wants to go to YouTube, and like let me know in the chat if streaming on YouTube and Twitter Spaces at the same time is dumb. Let me know. Enable developer mode. Click load unpacked in the top left corner. It's probably safe to, oh, okay. Select the dist. Okay, I'm gonna do that off stream, just in case I go to someplace dumb. Load unpacked. I gotta find out where this random folder is. Select the diff/dev. Now it says we're good to go. Yeah, I'm actually gonna stop doing Twitter Spaces. Seems like this was a dumb idea. But hopefully people are watching on YouTube. Although, actually, a bunch of you came here and went to YouTube, so maybe this is smart to do Twitter Spaces. Yo, Shirag, what up, dude? Nice to see you. Maybe it is smart to do on Twitter Spaces. I have no idea. You're good to go. Don't forget to pin the extensions. I'm watching from YouTube. Hell yeah, Robinson. Don't forget to pin your extension to your browser's toolbar for easy access. So now I have this Rivet dev. I can pin this. Okay. What does it do now, though? Use the peeps behind it. Okay, now what do I do? Hello? Do I do something in here? Oh. Oh, oh. Okay, we got something. Test DApp. I came here from Twitter Space and I don't have notifications set for this channel of yours. Hence, I feel like having a corresponding Twitter Space with YouTube link is a smart move. Good to know. Good to know. Thanks for the feedback. Am I supposed to just play through the code base now? Test app. Maybe I got ambitious here. Not exactly sure what this is supposed to do. You're good to go. Do I get like an RPC? Rivet has not been onboarded. Onboarded to what? But what do I do now? Do I run like Forge and it? Oops. No. And do I run like Anvil now? Now I have an RPC. And do I like connect this to Rivet? Quest? What do I do, guys? Oh, shit. Oh, wait, do I need to be in the app for that thing to show up? Oh, it's like, oh, I need to be in here. All right, yeah, I'm going to turn Twitter Spaces off. Oh my God, okay. There's a small problem in the Twitter Space description. The YouTube link can be clicked, hence a small suggestion. Put the link, yeah. Probably better if I just like put a tweet saying, hey, I'm streaming something. Okay, so you click this, and now I can create an Anvil instance. Rivet requires Foundry Anvil to run a local chain. Run the following command and you see allowed to install Foundry. I have it. When installed, you can continue. Oh, nice. Okay. Sure. We'll use your RPC. Those all look good to me. So that means I probably don't want to do this. Wait, what? Create Anvil instance. Continue. Do I have to pick a block number? Let's do this block. Block time, 10 seconds. Base fee, 0. Gas limit. Oh, shit. Run the following. Oh, did I? When Rivet detects the ambulance is running, we will redirect you. Okay, let's just do it in the Rivet. Oh no, in a new one. Ho ho! Okay. Got a little account here. Import ENS names. I can just import accounts. That's freaking sick. What's this button do? Oh shit, went away. Here we go. So probably in my app, test app. So in the test app, can I? Just want to see this. So the test app is very tiny. Little React project. Assuming they imported. Okay, so it's built on VM or VM, or I don't know how they pronounce it. Like if I wanted to use this in my own project, what would I do? Would I have to import all this stuff? Like if I go to like Aave, okay, this isn't gonna pop up. If I do it now, connect wallet. So how does the test app know? The Rivet thing. Maybe it only works on this test app. Maybe it's because alpha. Maybe I'm trying to go too far with it. That probably makes more sense. Nice. Okay, cool. Changed. Okay, so I think I get this. Oh, did I do that? Oh, whoops. Now this is broken. Wait. The heck is this running? Oh, duh. I have another window. So if I really wanted to play with this, I mean, it's definitely an alpha. It's a little bit difficult to play with at the moment. So what would I... I guess I could make a little mock full stack project, but what is... How does this know it can interact with Rivet? Like if I make like a... nothing.html, and I do a little live serve. Like Rivet's not gonna work. Whoa. Does it work with any? Maybe it just has to be local? Oh, maybe it only works with like local stuff. Okay. Okay, so let's try this. Go to the full course. Unrefund me. It's less than 8 HTML. It's an 8, yeah. Okay. So let's do this. Let's do the HTML fund me project, but with Rivet. Okay. Here we go. Okay, so Rivet. Don't need anything. Okay, so here's what we need to do. We need to do git clone cd HTML fund me. Let's open this up. So this is a different sample project that I've done before. It's in raw HTML. And let's just do this. And now if I hit open live server, should get, yep, that's what we get, which is good. Now I should be able to open Rivet. Fuck, why can't I open Rivet? Shit, now it's, does it have to be in the same folder maybe? Gosh. Maybe it has to be in the Rivet folder. Should fix that, huh? Okay, so now it's in Rivet. Now if I do it, will it work? Oops, that's not what I want to do. Shit, now it's not working. Do I have to... Does Rivet have to be running the whole time? Run the dev server. Okay, it does need to be running the whole time. Got it. There we go. Okay, that makes sense. So now, what are we doing right now? We're playing with Rivet, Paradigm's new front-end tool. I'm pressing the button. It's working on this page, right? But not on this page. Oh, it needs to refresh. Oh, okay. So you need to run the dev server for Rivet to work. Got it. Makes sense. Okay, cool. Now, okay. So one of the biggest issues that I always had whenever I would do this is if you reset your Anvil node, you have to like do all this bullshit with your account. So let's do, okay, so then we want to, we don't have an RPC up. Let's create a new RPC. Network is offline. Okay, update. Wait, shit. What did I do? Oh, I ruined everything. Is there like a hard restart? Update. Shit. Network is offline. What do you mean it's offline? Test app. Did all that. Okay, we're good. Okay. Now it's just on us to keep playing with it, I guess. Auto mining. Can I go back? Can I like reset this? What if I reset the dev server? Now if I refresh, now it's not gonna show up. That's fine. Okay, let's rerun the dev server and maybe it'll give us that little prompty stuff again. Test app. Okay, good. Okay, that comes up now. Refresh. Good. Okay. This. I want a network. Network is offline. I know it's offline. Can you make it online? Oh, do I need to run? Oh, it's because it detects. Hold on. Hold the phone. You ready for this shit? HTML fund me. No, wait, shit. I don't want that. HTML fund me. Hold the frickin' phone. All right, ready? Git clone this. Oh shit. CD Foundry fund me. Make build. Build. I think we're about to get it, y'all. Make anvil. Okay, now it's going to detect it, right? What the? Okay. Yes. Oh. Okay, okay, so the prompting it does is just like, hey, get something running here. And I think it's probably baked in with, like it knows it's Anvil maybe, I don't know. Okay, cool. So what do I normally do next? Make deploy in a second terminal. Yep. CD Foundry Fund Me, make deploy. We'll deploy all of our stuff. Great. Now we have them deployed. Update your constants.js to the new address. Yes. I think they're probably at the same addresses though. Fund me here. Yep, so the same address. Great. So we don't need to do that. Connect your MetaMask to local. Yes. So now Rivet. Shit. Okay, so I shouldn't have to use MetaMask. I can just use this now. Connect. Whoa, it says connected. Do I just automatically get connected? MetaMask didn't pop up or nothing. Oh shit, it automatically connects. Let's go. Okay. Oh, that's sick. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm about this, yo. I'm about this. Okay, okay, okay. I'm not about that. If I zoom in on the website, the freaking extension also. That's fine, whatever. Like if I want to do this. It's fine. It's fine. Y'all just won't be able to see this stuff very well. Why did you use HTML Fund Me? Do we need that for the local network to connect? No, so this is just like a minimal app that I made a long time ago. You don't need it to connect. You just this tool that Paradigm made is to like help you do like local dev stuff for full stack stuff. Because one of the biggest issues with MetaMask is whenever you're testing a front end, anytime you restart a chain, you have to like reset your MetaMask, and it's very annoying. So the idea for this is like I should be able to like kill this chain, this like local chain, and not have to like reset everything. Shit. Okay, console. Get bounce. Okay, so now I should be able to run 0.1 and I hit fund. Nice. Oh, look at that. Even like a little pending request comes up. I can approve. It'll send it. Now I can inspect. So this is like a super simple app here. It's got like a get balance, which now is doing 0.1, which returns the balance of the contract. Excuse me. Sorry about that. But all right. So here's where this is going to be interesting. Here's where this gets in. So so we can call fund. You know, I'll do 1 ETH. We'll call fund. Oh, that's so sick. Actually, approve. You know, 1.5. The thing that's also dope. Look at how fast that shows up. Like if this was MetaMask, right? If you're testing your front end. So this let me back up. Let me back up, y'all. So this HTML Fund Me. If you've taken my Foundry course, if you've taken my Hardhat course, if you've watched, let me flip over to me. If you've watched any of my videos, you know that doing full stack stuff is a pain in the rumpus when it comes to Web3. Why? Because there's a ton of like weird like shit that happens, right? If you watch, so on my YouTube, on Patrick Collins' YouTube channel, not this is Cyfrin audits. On the Patrick YouTube channel, we've got an HTML walkthrough. And like at some point I go, hey, by the way, like anytime you reset your chain, you have to reset your MetaMask, which is a huge pain in the ass. And when you hit like a function, right, it like takes MetaMask or like whatever wallet forever to do anything. This is immediate, which is cool because it makes sense because it's working with your local chain. There's a whole lot less like at stake here. Oh, this is great. Wow, this is really freaking cool. I was pretty nervous this was gonna suck, but this is like sick. So now if I hit inspect, this app, what it is, it's connected to we have our local Anvil node, like our own local blockchain running here in our terminal here. And what we did was over here, we ran a deploy script, which deployed, let me show you guys, this fund me contract, which again, if you've taken my courses, you're definitely familiar with. It's real minimal contract. It just has like a fund function, which takes money in, a withdraw, which you can pull money out of the contract, a cheaper withdraw, which we're ignoring. Got some view functions. It's basically like, hey, like we're going to send and receive funds from here. It uses a Chainlink price feed, and our make deploy script actually deployed a fake Chainlink price feed as well, which is very cool. So, and this is the front end for it, which you can fund it, you can withdraw from it, you can get the bounce. The only way you can get the bounce of it though is using the console. So if I go to console, hit get bounce, it shows up in the bounce here. If I fund it with 2 more, hit fund. Oh, that is so nice actually. We'll approve. Now if we'll inspect again, console, and this is some, I don't know what the hell this is. Whatever. Now if we hit get balance, great. We see it's 6.6, which is awesome. So now if I hit withdraw, we get this, and this is to get all of our money back. Actually, let's reject this one. So we can see our balance is 9.9995. Oh, we can even adjust it. Oh, that's sick. Wow, that's really sick. You can just adjust it right in here. So if I hit withdraw, this should bring that should bring this to like 99 basically, because we're, or 101, because we're pulling all the money out. It didn't do that. What do we mess up? Okay, well we messed something up. Fund. Oh, it's because it withdrew to the, or withdraw is only owner. Yeah. So did our well, our withdraw went through. So transactions. Whoa. That's kind of cool. So if I fund this with 2, this one's happening now. I'll fund with 1. Now there should be 3 in here. Inspect it. Get bounce, or 5. What the hell? 3 and 1 is 4. Why is whatever? Okay, there's 5 in there now. Now if I hit withdraw, what happens? So this is the withdraw function I just did. Shit, I forgot to check my balance. Counts. We're at 15. You know, let's just try this again. Put 5 in here. Put 10 in here. We need to wait for this to go down. Okay, so we put 5 in, we put 10 in. Now we're at 80. Now if we call withdraw, we gotta wait for it to get mined, I guess. Now it's back up to 95. Okay, cool. So it is working really well. Now here's the thing. Here's what happens. So you see this like nonce over here? You see all this stuff? If I were to, if I were to leave for the day and I were to like go and I stop this, MetaMask would be all like effed up. So right now RPC URL is like this. If I try to fund this, nothing's going to happen, which is good. MetaMask would kind of get into this like swirling state of doom. Are you building a project, or what is in this live? So we're live. We're not building a project. We're trying out Paradigm's new Rivet tool, which is a full stack. It's a wallet for working with Anvil and building full stack applications. So it makes it way easier to test and work with your front ends. So the issue that we're at now is when you're working with MetaMask or some other wallet, if you shut down your Anvil or your local instance like I just did, I just shut it down, your MetaMask gets all like freaked out, okay? But now if we spin it back up, we see we're back connected. It automatically reset the chain. Ah! Hold on. That's amazing. Okay, so if we inspect console, get balance, it just, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, it just works. Shit just works. Wow, this is great. Wow, this is great. All right. Anybody who's watched any of my HTML stuff, my full stack stuff, it's all shit. You got to use this tool. This thing is dank. Cause yeah, like we're all right. Hold on, let me show you guys. Let me show you guys what it's like. Let me compare this experience. So what we just saw was fantastic. I'm going to install MetaMask after this. We'll compare this to MetaMask. You ready for this? So here we are. Stuff's chugging along. I can go hit this fun button. I can approve all these transactions. Amazing. Stuff is just working. You know, oh man, I got to reset this balance to this. I can hit withdraw. Boom. It's going to actually withdraw in here. Just give it a sec for it to mine. Maybe it's not gonna withdraw. Maybe because I messed it up. Okay, great, that worked. I can withdraw. It's gonna go through. I guess you do have to wait a little bit. That kind of sucks. Whatever. Come on. Come on. Did I not hit withdraw? Approve. Withdraw. Approve. Come on. Come on, withdraw. Go through. I guess that might be a little, I mean, this is alpha. Why are my withdrawal transactions not going through? Okay, maybe it's a little buggy there. Hold on, one more time. Okay, so we're gonna fund it with 10. This should go down to 69 Lamau. I wonder if it does it auto update? Do I have to? Okay, I have to like flip back and forth. Okay, fine. Now if I hit withdraw, I'm gonna have to flip back and forth again. Wait for this next block to go through. Oh, because I put 10-second. Oh, I have a 10-second block time on Anvil, so that's my bad. What the heck? Didn't withdraw. Approve? Transactions. It's erroring for some reason. What the heck? Okay, that's a little frustrating. Okay, what's going on? If I switch accounts, it shouldn't be able to withdraw. Okay, so it doesn't really work too hot with... What the heck? It doesn't work too hot with failed transactions, so that's something that's a little frustrating. Yeah, that's annoying. Fund with 10. Withdraw. Transaction's a little bit buggy too. Let me just refresh. All right, so it's a little bit buggy, but it's fine. It's alpha, no worries. But here's the biggest thing. If I reset this, if I reset my Anvil chain, this, if I even do a little refresh, it's still this will switch. You know, nothing will happen here. I don't get errors. It just goes, hey, your RPC is down, which is good. Now, if I restart it though, oh, it's because I didn't I'm an idiot. It's because I didn't redeploy the contracts. That's why I'm so stupid. But yeah, okay, so that's a bit of a bug from the Rivet team. Reverted transactions should be more sensible. But if I restart it, like I can just go back into it. I can just hit fund, approve, boom. You know, I'll do 10. Okay, now it should actually work because I actually redeployed the contracts. And this should go down to what, 90, 88. Now I can do withdraw and it'll actually work because I actually deployed the contracts this time. Boom, and it goes back up to 99. Awesome. And if I quit Anvil and I start it again and I redeploy, we're back up in business as if nothing happened, you know? Oops. We're back in business as if nothing happened. Look at how easy that was. We're back. We can send transactions. We can test our front end. Now, install MetaMask. Sorry, this is a new MetaMask.io. Install MetaMask for Chrome. This is a new browser here, so it doesn't have MetaMask yet. Oh my God, I'm gonna have to set up MetaMask in front of you guys. Oh, that sucks. Yeah. This is still a dummy account, but it's still annoying to have people. All right, cool. Shitty password. Shitty password. Oh, remind me later. Skip account security. Yes, for the love of God, don't make me do that. Okay, cool. Got it. Okay, so all right, so we have MetaMask. Now watch this. Bro, let's see the pass. It's literally like something like shitty password. Like that's basically the password. Seems Rivet has better UX as it is running locally while MetaMask doesn't. Maybe, but the goal is for it to be an extension, I think. So I don't think it matters that it's running locally. But so now, all right, so now let's do this. So let's grab our little MetaMask here. Add a network. Because so first off, here's already what you have to do. You have to add a new network, add a network manually. We'll call it Anvil. All right, let's start our Anvil thing. Brand new Anvil chain. Oh, no, it's not up yet. Oh, give me. Yep, okay, here we go. Make Anvil. Make deploy. Great, so now we have an Anvil chain running here. What I have to do, first off, this is already annoying enough. I have to do HTTP / here, 31337 ETH, and that's or go. I'm gonna do ETH. And now this is working, but here's already the first annoying thing. So if I'm in, oops, did I just like shut something off? Oops. If I'm in here and my MetaMask is up, watch this. So if I close this, this is already the first annoying thing. Let's say I was on, you know, Linear or something, and I'm like, oh, let's do Anvil. You're gonna get this whirling thing of death, and this is already super freaking annoying. Super freaking annoying. If you're using Rivet, Rivet knows if you're up or if you're down and doesn't do that. Like if I just go back up, we're up. The thing with MetaMask is MetaMask will do this whirling circle of death, even though we're up, right? We're clearly up right now, but we're still whirling circle of deathing, right? Why? We're up. Why are you having a hard time connecting? So we switch, it's like kind of freaks out. We can go back to Anvil. Okay, cool, whatever. So that's already nice enough. Maybe the network is like our Anvil network is busy. Our locally run MetaMask is having a hard time connecting to our locally running Anvil chain. I don't know. Doesn't check out, Shirag. Doesn't check out. Okay, but so now, watch this. So we're in here. So the other annoying thing is, so this doesn't have any accounts. Okay, I got to import some accounts. That's not the worst thing in the world. We'll grab a private key. We'll do add account. We'll call it Foundry default. Create, oh shit, that's not, oh, I meant to do import account. Paste the private key in, boom. Now we have this. And now we'll hit the connect button. MetaMask will pop up, that's all fine. Account 3, which now doesn't have the name Foundry default, although it should. So now we're connected. And if I hit now if I hit fund, maybe I'll do 1, we'll hit fund, MetaMask will pop up. We'll confirm, no big deal. You know, we can do all the stuff we've been doing here. We can actually zoom in though, which is the only nice thing. Now I promise you, I'm about to show you where the fuckery, if you will, comes in. So now if we hit get balance, we can see there's 1 in here. We can even do 2. MetaMask pops up. We'll confirm that it's funding with 2. It's going to mine. You can see, you know, it's mining on our thing here. Come on. Any data. All right, cool. So now we're at 3, right? We can do withdraw, same as always. Confirm for whatever. But here's what's messed up. So in MetaMask now, MetaMask is now like all, no, I don't want to do that. MetaMask now is like, hey, you've got a nonce of like 3 or whatever, right? Oh my God, that's so annoying. MetaMask thinks we have like a nonce of like 3 or something right now. So here's where it gets really shitty. If I, right now, our balance in here is like this. It's some weird number, right? If I go here, oh, did I not deploy the, I didn't deploy the, whatever. I didn't deploy the contracts. But if I restart this Anvil chain, this should get restarted, right? So let's go to the Anvil chain. Let's kill it. We just killed the entire chain. And now we have a brand new Anvil chain. Boom. Now we have a brand new Anvil chain. Now if we go here, we go to our MetaMask. MetaMask doesn't know we just got a brand new Anvil chain. Let's deploy these contracts on this brand new Anvil chain again. Great, contracts are up. MetaMask still has no idea we're on a brand new Anvil chain. And now, if I try to call this fund function, oh wait, now let's connect. We're connected. If I try to call this fund function, MetaMask is coming up. Console. Funding with 1. And now it's getting all types of confused. Internal JSON RPC error. What do you mean internal JSON? Fund. Just fund the thing. You want to know why it's getting this? Is because it's sending the wrong nonce. And so what you have to do is you have to go to MetaMask, hit the little dots, go to settings, advanced, clear activity data. I think, where's the they changed the buttons on me. There was like a reset. See, they made it even harder. There used to be like a reset. Clear activity and nonce data. Clear activity and nonce data. Yes, please do that. It looks like it still hasn't done that though, because my balance should be different. So if I confirm this, okay, so it did clear it, but it's not updating on the MetaMask UI. Okay, it did. Okay, it did actually update. But it's just like way more frustrating, the fact that you have to reset your MetaMask to do this local development work. Ready? So that was a huge pain in the ass. Let's go back to, oh God. Let's go back to this. Can we disconnect this? Disconnect. Now, if we go back to here, this knows my accounts. If I hit fund now, come on, go away. If I hit fund now, oh, see, this is going to be kind of confusing. I think it's confused. I think it thinks that MetaMask should be popping up. So I have to like remove or unpin it. Wow, that's really annoying. I think I have to remove MetaMask. Remove from Brave. Yep, bye. Now will it work? I had to remove MetaMask. That's kind of annoying. But at least, okay, now we can see though, hey, it's going to work. We'll do 4, we'll approve. Okay, cool, the balance goes down. We'll do 10, or we'll do 100. Yep, fund. It's going to, you know, in a minute. Yep, it went down by 100. Now if we restart the chain, Redeploy the contracts. Anvil, this Rivet doesn't skip a beat. That's sick. That alone is dope. Yeah, okay. Gonna highly recommend everyone check out Rivet. For anybody who's doing full stack development in Web3, definitely check out Rivet, especially if you're using Foundry. This shit is legit. Wow, I'm glad I played with this. That was so sick. Yeah. Wow, that was sick. Any questions? Wow, that was really cool. I feel like I should make like a little YouTube short of that because that was like really freaking sick. All right, if there's no questions, I'm going to stop streaming. Probably think about going to bed pretty soon. Kind of late where I am. Wow, I'm so glad I tried that out though. That was actually super sick. Everyone should be trying out Rivet. Shit's dope. Lots of love from India. Hey. Likewise, much appreciated. Thank you for being here. All right, gang. Have a great night. Talk to you all soon. Keep growing. Stay froggy. Later.